Now, let's spend a few minutes with some of our partners in the ISV community. I'm joined today by Shrikant Nistani of Crane Infotech. Thank you guys for joining today.
Welcome.
Much appreciated. Shrikant, could you tell us a little bit about yourself and Crane Infotech, and then Des, maybe you can do the same?
Sure. So, my name is Shrikant Nistane. I'm a digital transformation evangelist at Crane Infotech. We are mainly into the SAP space. We are also ISV partner with Zebra, and we pride ourselves in providing solutions to do the digital transformation and the smooth transition from the green screen, blue screen, yellow screen to the newer user interface and simplifying the architecture for customers who are transitioning from Windows to Android.
Very good. And how about yourself, Shrikant? What do you guys see in terms of the investment decisions that your customers are making? And how is that shifting? You mentioned the blue screen and the green screen. That's a big migration, and those things are embedded in WMSs for the last 20 or 30 years.
Right. So what we have seen is basically the people who count the money, they are looking for quick transition. They are not looking for, because they are using these existing solutions for a long period of time. There's a lot of investment made and people are comfortable with it, at least the existing people. But they need to transition to the new technology because of the technological changes, the expiration of the existing product line, and also the newer workforce. So they are looking for opportunities where, or options where the transition is smooth, transition is less painful, and it's cost effective. And that's where the Zebra's hardware, Zebra's DNA, and the software applications from partners like us provides an opportunity for them to achieve that transition smoothly and as quickly as possible.
Shrikant, how are you seeing that impact what you're seeing with your customers? And specifically, how are you seeing that with the current generation, let's say Generation X? How are you seeing the blend between the two as we transition into this new operating system in the warehouse?
So the introduction of the smartphone has basically disrupted the consumer industry. Right? That has now spilled into the enterprise applications because of the new generation workforce and even the old generation. Everybody is now using the consumer applications. They are using the smartphones, and they expect applications to be as good as better as the consumer applications. So that itself provides, and Android provides an opportunity for the enterprises to meet that demand.
So I'm interested, if I may drill into that, you talked about Mobility DNA, which was a big investment we made 5 or 6 years ago to catalyze or help customers transition to Android. What are the typical applications that you develop or deploy leveraging Android and the DNA backbones?
Sure. Great question. So what we have done is we basically used SAP's Fiori technology, which is an enhanced HTML5, and we have developed around 50 plus applications on that platform. Out of that, I think warehouse management, direct store delivery, and the enterprise asset management are very close to the enterprise, and the Zebra, which relate to the Zebra. So we use several Zebra DNA functionalities, mobile DNA functionalities like Simulscan, very useful. We have seen a lot of excitement with that within the workforce. DataWage, we are also working with VoiceWage and enterprise home screen. So these are some of the mobile DNA, and how it has helped. It has helped us to bring some of those functionalities which the users makes users' life easy, and they can. So that also helps us to transition from keyboard-based hardware to the user interface or swipe hardware.
And so I want to build on that a little bit, because one of the things we've seen in all warehouses is, by and large, if it's not broke, don't fix it. When things are working, just keep them moving along. And the 9000 family, the old mobile computer, was the backbone of so many operations.
Absolutely.
This is a radical shift for us to go from a primarily Windows environment to exclusively an Android environment. It's not without risk, and obviously we've done a lot of work to make sure it's a good transition. But what do you see that looking like from the customer's perspective? Are they ready for the adoption? Is there going to be resistance? How do we overcome that? This is not a small shift.
So the way we see from the customers is they are compelled by the technological changes, right? They are compelled by the workforce changes, but they are also compelled by the achieving the operational efficiency. And all these
correct.
three combined is basically helping them to make a decision to move to the newer technology like Android.
Okay, and Shrikant, it's obviously a different platform, so it now gives us the elements to pull analytics and other data elements from
Absolutely.
it. How do you see that that's going to change in the customers' workflows that you see?
So as he mentioned, I think it's basically very less change management, the same tool with the newer technology, new tool sets, and it's going to help them not only to reduce the change management, but also to bring the new innovation to the same workforce. So I think it's best of the both worlds. So that's how and we really look forward for 93 to come out and
Absolutely.
help to go through.
We can't wait.
Shrikant, Des, I want to thank you so much for spending time here today, and more importantly for your partnership throughout this longer transition.
Thank you.
Now, with that, before we continue, I want to, just another subtle reminder to submit your questions through the window, and we're going to take them at the end of the broadcast. But as a next step, we're going to show our next poll question.